me now, guys. Morning time. Early morning cutout. Duckant's beehive. Just I get into her. Lots of bees. Yeah. I'll get them out still. I'll take them out. Saying. So what they look like here, guys. I spot the queen already. Just need to try catch her. She gone down there, so there she is. There she is, running around between there. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna get a cage to cage this queen. Till I'm done. As soon as I'm finished, I will release her. Now I just got a nuke box here to put them in. There's the queen. Alright? So, we'll drop them in our nuke box. In our side hive. Not bad. Let's see what I go on now.